Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making protein patties. Let's wash and soak some quinoa. You can also use amaranth, which is a millet if you wish. These are high in proteins and form an excellent base for patties. We boil some quinoa and add some veg stock. Once done, keep aside to cool. In another pan, we take olive oil, spring onions, garlic, chickpea flour and salt. Add spices like pepper and fennel, spring onion greens. To this mixture, we will add the cooked quinoa and combine. In another pan, we take crushed peanuts or peanut butter for extra protein. Make small roundels using an ice cream scoop and shape these into rounds. In another bowl, we take chickpea flour and water and make a paste. Coat the patties into this paste. Then roll the cooked patties in panko breadcrumbs. Chill these patties. In a pan, add olive oil or ghee and cook these patties till crispy and golden. You can also air fry the patties if you wish. Serve these patties with a side salad and a favorite dipping sauce. These patties are a perfect protein fix in your next meal plan. Next up, let's make some pea and mint patties. We start by taking split peas or chana dal, washing and soaking the chana dal for 30 minutes and pressure cooking it. No salt is needed. We do not want the dal to get mushy. Then we take greens like coriander and mint and chop them fine. In a pan, we take olive oil or ghee and add onion, garlic, carrots if you wish, frozen peas, salt to taste, and spices to add more flavor. Add the cooked dal which has been drained and ricotta or paneer. Remove the mixture in a pan, cool slightly and add the greens. Mix the mixture well. In a mixer jar, we'll add 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal or darya dal and blend it to form a powder. Add it to the mixture and make small roundels and give it a patty shape. Top each patty with cashews. Chill the patties if you wish. In a pan, add ghee or olive oil and pan fry the patties till golden and crispy. Serve the patties warm with raita, chutney and a side salad. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Till then, happy eating!